I'm going to invite you, when you're ready, to get out your pen and paper. Write down all of the things that happened to you in this year, internally and externally, that come to mind. You could be like, oh, I blew up my ACL. I had knee surgery. Oh, I had PT twice a week. Oh, I had a full schedule. So, oh, I felt tired. Oh, I felt excited. Oh, I felt depressed. Oh, I felt joyful. Oh, I had highs and lows. Oh, I had hope. I had despair. Write down just sort of like this whole stream of consciousness of what 2022 was for you. So now, looking at your piece of paper with all the things that you just wrote down, ask yourself, what did you learn? What were the qualities that you learned? Did you cultivate more patience? Did you cultivate more strength in the trials and the tribulations? And in a little like circle, what did you get out of everything that happened, the highs, the lows, the good, the bad? And write down those qualities. And then as you write down those positive qualities, ask yourself, what was it prepping you for? And I'm going to give you an example. So I wrote down all of my qualities. There were positives, there were negatives. And then I wrote down, okay, what did I get from that whole experience? Okay, I got strength, more strength inside myself, more patience inside myself, more determination inside myself. And I had to go slow to then level up. So it's like we have this one-liner of what was that whole experience that got you to do something that then is now preparing you for this next step. I had to go slow to level up. I could only level up once I'd gotten the strength, the patience, and the determination. So again, from a positive, because that's you reflecting about what this last year gave you, that then is your launch pad in a positive way for that which is to come. Whenever we are at the end of a cycle, end of a year, or the end of a particular year for your own self, like your birthday, you can sit in stillness and then write down, just stream of consciousness, all of the qualities of this past year or experience, the good, the bad. And it would be like worry, fear, joy, highs, lows, tired, excited, determined, strong, afraid, connected, small moments of connection, want more, yearning. You just write down all of those qualities. And then you say to yourself, okay, out of this whole experience in a circle, write down all the positive things that you got from it. And then from all of those positive things, what vibration, what stance, what movement are all those good things pushing you into, that's then creating this incredible launch pad for this next chapter, for this next cycle. And so this process can be really powerful because you're taking time to consciously reflect, discern, what did you get from it? How was it actually good? How is it preparing you for the next step?